I think it was just about 2 years ago. We had come to a place, I guess parts of it we own. To a show on the telly we had seen both her and me. As we drove into the town, down to the harbor by the sea. High on the upper deck we sat as we enjoyed the light, overlooking the whole bay, all the boats laying on their side. Next to me there was a painting on the wall I cast a glance, looking pretty well familiar and enchanting both at once. Merry Christmas, Mr. Moffat, thanks again for the stormy sky. Merry Christmas, hope you'll have it. Maybe next year we'll come by. Then at home just before Christmas I had one of these ideas. When I was writing the email it seemed stupid and unfair. Well, of course was the response as the package it was sent. I think she even cried and I was happy too, cause I had made a friend. Merry Christmas, Mr. Moffat, thanks again for the stormy sky.